Hi guys, welcome to another episode of PC building series. In this episode, we will be showing you how to install graphic card onto your motherboard. Here's how. First step, locate your PCiE slot. Now take note that they are normally located under the heatsink. 2. Toggle the plastic clip by gently pressing it down. 3. Insert your graphic card by pressing it onto the PCiE slot. Now take note that for most standard casing, you will need to remove your casing bracket before your installation. However, as the case we are using in this video, it is an open air, so we are skipping that part. Number 4. Make sure to screw the graphic card's bracket onto the PC casing. Lastly, don't forget to plug in your power cables onto the graphic card. That's it for now. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. We will see you guys next time.